Updating your email address on Etsy is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Navigate to Email Preferences. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Email Preferences or Contact Information section. Click on it to view your current email address. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. By following these steps, you can easily update your email address on Etsy. Keeping your contact information current helps ensure you receive important notifications and updates.